How to remove the background of a video in After Effects. Let's get into it. The first way we can do this is by coming up to Window and coming into Effects and Presets and searching for Key. We then want to drag the key light effect onto our footage and select the Screen Color Paint Picker tool and click anywhere on your background. This works better for single color backgrounds, but in my case here, we do have a little bit of stuff going on at the top here. So another way that we can do this is by rotoscoping. We can come up to the Roto Brush tool in the top here, double click on our video to open it in a layer, and then I'm going to zoom out, and then all we need to do is draw a rough outline around our subject here. It doesn't have to be perfect. After Effects will then select your subject outline like you can see just here. However, if you do have some hair areas where it hasn't quite done a great job, you can come back and select the Refine Edge tool, go to Window, choose Brushes, and then we can change the diameter of this brush to suit your project. And then just simply paint around the outline where you have the hair or fur or anything wispy that it's not picking up. Anything that is black will be removed, anything that is white will be included. I'm going to paint around the facial hair here as well. With the selection complete, we can then hit space on our keyboard so it can process every frame. If you notice it's missing areas, you can pause and adjust like I'm doing right here. And once you're happy, you can hit freeze, and then After Effects is going to apply the selection to each frame of your video. This can take some time depending on your video. Once you're done, come back into your composition and you'll find that the background is removed. If you're finding that you're still getting a little bit of a weird outline, you can come into these parameters and fine tune. In my example here, I am finding that changing the contrast and upping this level makes a better outline for my video, but it will be different for each video case. And that's all there is to it.